Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add apps to the home screen as well as how we can remove them from the home screen on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So first of all we need to open the app drawer and then we need to select the app that we want to add to the home screen. So you want to press and hold your finger on the app, and then once you see those buttons you want to start moving the app, and then you will go to the home screen and you can release your finger on the place where you want to leave your app. And this is how we can add to the home screen. Now, in order to remove from the home screen, you want to press and hold your finger on the app, and then you can use this minus button over here. Now, if you want to move the app to a different home screen page, what you can do is simply drag it towards the corner or the side of the page in order to move to the next page, so that now you have your app on another page. Of course, this goes both with the left and right side. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.